Hey guys, welcome to Black Beard Vapor. Today we're going to do an unboxing, a little review, and a tutorial on how to work the Priv-V8 kit. Now this is a kit that's really good for, a Christmas present or a starter kit. It's really simple to use, it's really ergonomic, it fits really well in your hands. A lot of people really like them. But yeah, so let's get started. So we're just going to open the boxes real quick. So this is what you see when you open the box. This is just the battery part or mod, just the base unit of the kit. But yeah, you got the battery instructions. It tells you what kind of batteries to put in it, not to put in it, and whatnot. And you get your instructions, which are pretty vague. That's why we do tutorials, so you can really learn how to work all of the stuff. And you get your warranty card, which might be important. Take the gel stack out. You got your charger. You have your tank, which it comes with a Smok V8 Baby Beast tank. A very good starter tank to learn on. And then you get some seals and other goodies in there in the little plastic bag. You also get a little ring, and this is what you can put over the glass in case you drop it. Basically, the ring kind of absorbs the shock when you drop it, so the glass is less likely to shatter all over the place. And you also get replacement glass. Very handy because glass probably will break. It happens all the time. And you get a coil, which another thing with these tanks, specifically with this kit, that don't have the variable wattage stuff like the Smok V8 stick. It takes special kind of coils called the M2 coils. This is a M2.25 that comes extra in the box, and the one that comes on the tank is the same one, so it's going to be an M2.25 coil. For these kits, it has to say the M2 on the coil. So another thing you're going to have to buy with the kit is the 18650 battery. This is what they look like. They're really common. You can pick them up in quite a few different places, but make sure you buy one with the kit if you can, because they are necessary, of course. So it's positive end up, and that just slides closed. So the way I did that was these have a little lock on them, so you want to slide it that way. Then that lifts up like that. And you put the battery in positive side up, hold that closed, and then slide it back in place like that. And the battery is in, and you can now turn the battery on. So it's going to be 5 clicks to turn it on, 5 clicks to turn it off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that little light right there flash, and that means it's on. It'll also flash when you turn it off as well. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to refill the tank and change the coil. But the first thing we need to do when we get a new tank or we get a new coil, we have to prime the coil. Basically what that is saturating the cotton with juice, and that way it doesn't burn the cotton dry. And if you do burn the cotton dry, it hurts a lot, so we don't want to do that. So what you're going to do is take the tank off. Then you have your base right here. That just unscrews from the bottom. Now this right here is your coil. The first time you change your coil is going to be pretty tight. Like right now, I'll probably have to get napkins to unscrew this coil. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it in there. But all it does, this unscrews, and you just screw a new one back in there. I'll show you on a new one in a minute. But yeah, after you change your coil, you want to put 2 drops of liquid in each one of these holes on the side. There's 4 holes on the coil, and you also want to go up here to the top and move the juice around in a circle on the top piece of cotton. And you really want to saturate that cotton, like I said, and you won't have any problems. So after the cotton is all saturated, you plug it back up, and you can put it on your battery. So the way you fill these is that it has a swivel top, and you just swivel it out like that, and there's a little hole right here that you stick the nozzle or whatever you have on your juice bottle in there, and you fill it up. You can fill it completely up if you wanted to. It doesn't matter. So you can close that. I actually have one here that's used. I'm going to go ahead and use that one. Same tank, all the same features. I just have it filled up. It's my personal tank. That way I don't ruin a new one. And that's it. So like I said, you just fill it up and it'll fill all the way up to the top, and you just close it up. And that's it. Now it should be ready to go. What I like to do before I fire it is puff on it 3 times. Make sure you can really taste that juice in the air. Whatever flavor you have, you should be able to have some hint of it through the air without pushing the button. So now I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. And it works just fine. The flavor in these are pretty good. I don't think you can beat it for the price as far as the kit goes. Yeah, they're really nice. That's basically everything you need to know on how to use it. These are pretty straightforward. There's not a lot of electronics in it. There is safeties and stuff to keep, the battery from melting down, but other than that, they're pretty basic. They don't have any of the variable wattage features or variable voltage or temperature control features to it either. But yeah, they're very nice for a starter kit. They're not confusing. They have really good flavor for what they are. They're very affordable. I would recommend getting one if you're just trying to get into it. Thank you for watching. We're Blackbeard Vapor. You can visit us at blackbeardvapor.com. See you guys later.